There's a quiet misconception we carry, a belief that to let go is to admit defeat, that it's a sign of weakness, a surrender. But what if we reframed it? What if we saw it not as losing something, but as gaining everything? Letting go isn't losing. It is a conscious, deliberate choice. It is choosing peace over the familiar ache of pain. It's the moment you decide your own tranquility is more valuable than the history you've been clinging to. It's an act of profound self-respect, a declaration that you are worthy of a life unburdened by the weight of what was. So why do we resist it so fiercely? We hold on to people, to habits, to outdated versions of ourselves, not because it's right, but because we're scared to release what once felt safe. The familiar becomes a fortress, even when its walls have started to crumble. We mistake the comfort of knowing for the joy of living. We carry these attachments like heavy stones in our pockets, growing so accustomed to their weight that we forget what it feels like to walk freely, to run, to simply stand tall without the constant, pulling gravity of the past. But there comes a moment of clarity, a quiet dawn after a long night, where you realize that true safety isn't found in holding on tighter. It's found in the courage to open your hands. Because peace begins where attachments end. It's in the space you create, the silence that follows the noise, the calm that settles over your heart when you stop fighting to keep what is determined to leave. This is not an ending. It is a profound and necessary clearing. This is your permission slip to move on. To acknowledge that some chapters are meant to close and some paths are meant to diverge. And sometimes the bravest thing you can do is walk away from what no longer grows you. It is an act of faith in the journey ahead, a trust that there are other forests to explore, other sunlit paths waiting for your footsteps. It's choosing the unknown potential of your future over the known limitations of your past. So, begin the gentle art of decluttering your soul. Look at the energy you expend each day holding on to resentment, regret, or relationships that have run their course. Imagine what you could build with that energy instead. Release what drains you so you can receive what fulfills you. Make space. Empty your arms of the burdens you were never meant to carry, and feel the lightness that rushes in to fill the void. This isn't emptiness, it's readiness. Stand here in this new open space. Feel the air on your skin. This is the first moment of the rest of your life. Take a slow, deep breath. Breathe out the past, all of it. The sorrow, the what-ifs, the could-have-beens. Let it all go with that one exhale. Now, breathe in your future. Breathe in possibility, hope, and the quiet, unshakable promise of peace. This is your new beginning.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.